Good morning, everybody. Wow, you guys are here so early. Come on, I'm gonna give you a tour of the studio. Again, everybody, welcome to Nissan Design Latin America. My name is Anthony Sahs. I am the chief designer here. As you see, we are in the lounge area. We designed it specifically so that you can relax as you enter the studio and forget all your everyday things in life, yeah? And here in the lounge, we like to surround ourselves with some really nice, unique design furniture. We actually designed our own coffee table using upcycled material, basically wood from a supplier that we had borrowed in the past. And design is such an important word for us. Design has a lot of meaning, and the word design means disruption, collaboration, inspiration, innovate, imagine, and vision. And what we also like to do is to incorporate Japanese DNA in our design philosophy, in the way we design our projects. As you can see in the background, we were borrowing a lot of Japanese design motif in the designing of the staircase, especially as you can see the repetitive patterns that are on the wall. And then the staircase is actually growing from the wall. Again, the balance between art, design, and functionality. Now, let me take you to the creative zone where the designers are. Here you can see this is called the creative zone, very open and spacious. We have tall ceilings and also glass surrounding each area. And as well, you can see there's no barriers between the designers. The desks are designed so that we are sharing all of our work together. And also it gives a little bit more collaboration between the designers and give a bit more ease to communication. We also like to bring a lot of natural element into the studio that we have on the outside. We brought sand as one of the elements. We brought rocks, we brought wood as well. And we felt that it's important to be connected to nature. And so having this connection with nature gives us some inspiration. And as we are designing here, we always think about innovation and where we can innovate in regards to design. Especially we research on materials, new materials that can bring new ideas for our design. We also investigate new technology, what our customers using in the future to incorporate also in our design. And talking about innovation, let me take you upstairs to our Zen Room. Come, follow me. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you guys doing?
Good.
Good, great. Welcome. This is our Zen Room. This is where we have our meetings with our global and regional departments of Nissan. As well, this is a place where we do our brainstorming for new projects, as well for new clients. We have meetings with our suppliers here in the Zen Room. As you can see, we also design our own furniture here. We have our Zen table, which is borrowing on the idea of asymmetry, the kind of Zen philosophy where there's no such thing as symmetry in nature, and which gives the designers a very casual position to be able to communicate and share ideas. Another important news I'd like to share to everybody is that we are going to become a design house. Not only we are a design studio, car design studio for Nissan here in LATAM region, but also we are becoming a design house to deliver design solutions for the area of product design, spatial, mobility, and visual communication. So we are going to be the first car OEM design studio to deliver this type of service in Latin America. We're also creating partnership with universities, with IED and also with MAWA to create new projects with students to come with new ideas for not only for Nissan, but also for other clients. Again, thank you everybody for coming to Nissan Design Latin America studio. I hope you really enjoyed the tour. And also I'm very excited about our new design services that we're going to be delivering to our future clients here in LATAM. Again, thank you for your time and hope to see you all soon. Bye-bye.